Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to turn a photo into a cartoon in Canva. Let's get started. I'll demonstrate two different methods for turning a photo into a cartoon using Canva. First, go to the Upload section on Canva and drag in a photo. Let's use this one for our example. The first thing you want to do is click on your image, then head to Apps in the bottom left-hand corner, and then you want to search for Cartoons. And then you should get Cartoonify appear. Go ahead and click on Cartoonify, and then click on Open Now. What that's going to do is it's going to scan for an image that you want to cartoonify and replace, and it's then going to cartoonify the image you have selected. So make sure you've selected your image if you've got several images. So you can see we've now cartoonified that image, and it actually looks really cool. So I'm going to show you one more way, and it's going to give you another result. So I'm going to drag in that same image. Then we're going to go to Apps, and we want to now search for anime. Here you should see Animify. Go ahead and click on Animify, and then Open. We have to do the same thing. Select the image, then click here where it says Animify your image. You'll see a different cartoon result compared to the first method. It's a slightly different, but those are two different ways that you can turn yourself into a cartoon in Canva completely for free. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.